Hello, I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to review the Technics SB-6000. This speaker was built in 1977, part from a high fidelity series Technics brought out. My earlier review about the Technics 4500, you can see the smaller speakers from the same series, and a year later Technics brought out this speaker. It is a 28 kilo, very heavy when you compare it with this SB-4500, two times the weight of the Technics 4500. This one is 28 kilo, it is 85 centimeters high, and let me show you how it looks with the dust caps on. This is with the dust caps on. I was very lucky to score this set because, they are rare. They are rare, and look at this beautiful set. And I will make this video without the dust cap. This is how you remove these dust cap. Very simple. Just take them off. Just take them off. And on the side you can see it have these chrome pipes, and these chrome pipes keep the dust cap in place. And this is how it is looking without the dust cap. Let me remove the other dust cap also. Yes, okay. And the dust caps goes off very easy. And this is how it looks without the dust cap. Very impressive. 30 centimeters big woofer. Look at this old school style. And I'm not sure, but these foam rings look new, so I think they put new foam rings on it. I'm not sure. This is the first time I see a SB-600, but it looks to me that these are brand new. Look at this. Look at this. Brand new. And for me it was very strange to when buying this these speakers. It was very strange that the woofer ends were so brand new looking. And as you can see in front, it have the tweeter on top. Yes, here you have the connections. And this is just a diagram from I'm not sure. And this is the treble knob I always put on maximum, and it is a two-way system. As you can see, a tweeter in top and the woofer below, and the same thing here. And look at this. It is just a little bit dirt on the top. Clean it. Just review it how I bought the thing, and didn't do nothing on it. As you can see here on the side, the thing looks very nice. Very nice looking speakers. No big damage. The only thing it had was this in the corner. As you can see, it's not very big problem, and for the rest the thing is looking very good. I couldn't find nothing about the new price. That's very strange. I thought I could find it very easy, but there's nothing on the internet about the new price. So if somebody know the new price from these things, please comment below this video, because really I could find some specs. They are 100 watt. The SB-4500 was 75 watt. This one is 100 watt, and that's all I could find. And I could not even find the frequency response. So very difficult, these speakers, to find any good specs on the internet. Anyway, I'm gonna make this video very short because I'm just gonna test them out for you. That's what you want to know, how this thing sounds, and I will give you today an example on my G-7000. Lately you see me making a lot of movies with this Marantz, and today I thought, okay, these are very special speakers. These are very heavily sought speakers, because really, believe me, these speakers, I don't know sure about the new price, but the SB-4500 were 8,000 or 800 euro a pair, 800 euro a pair, yeah. And well, I thought, okay, these speakers are minimum the double, because they look impressive and they sound also much better than the 4500. And I thought, okay, let me take the Sansui G-7000 today for this test, my most beautiful receiver. And well, I put the Marantz on one step below it, and this will be my next review. Well, a nice Luxman receiver, and I will review that very soon. These two receivers, I have to make a choice. I have to make a choice between the mint, the very mint Marantz 2265, yeah. This thing is mint. I didn't do nothing on the thing yet. And this Sansui G-7000, and the Sansui G-7000 is not mint, as you can see. As you can see here, the knobs, they have a little fuse. Well, it is not an ugly receiver. It's a very beautiful receiver, but it's not 100% mint. I would give it a 9, and this thing is a 10, the Marantz, and that's what I like from this Marantz so much. Sound-wise, I prefer the Sansui, of course, and that's why I want to make this video with this Sansui. And when I pop on this thing, yeah, I have to wait. Yes, there it is. And listen to this tuner sound. Listen to this. I'm not planning to spin this tuner too long today. Today I will play some old soul, old and new soul, and it's all on my MP3 player. So I just know when I'm in your embrace. Well, the bass of these speakers are overwhelming. Believe me, it is now 10 o'clock in the evening, and I'm just in this little apartment. Normally I don't have problems to make videos, reviews 10 o'clock in the evening. But the bass of these speakers, I cannot play this thing full, you know, so I cannot do the regular test, because when I put more sound, the bass is going through your it is looking like you are standing in a discotheque, and it is only on 5-6 stripes, and it's unbelievable the bass these woofers produce. Unbelievable beautiful. And Well, as you know, I love my Magnat speakers very much because of the bass. But the bass these things produce, you just cannot compare with my Magnats. It is a beautiful, beautiful low. I cannot describe it to you, but these speakers, if you love bass heavy speakers, these speakers are the ones. Listen to this. Well, ending with James Brown, or well, it is not really James Brown. I had this, well, you can see it here. I had these numbers on my MP3 player, soul, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna spin some soul, but I just noticed that they are covers from soul numbers, but that doesn't matter. Sometimes covers are even more beautiful than the real thing. So, well, this is just a small review from, well, these speakers, and well, I love these speakers, really I love these speakers, and I'm not sure what they are worth, because I see prices, well, going up until $750 for a pair of these speakers. But let me remind you that these speakers, yeah, are from 1977. And if you want to have the full potential of these speakers, you have to renew the caps in the filter. Yeah, that's not an expensive job if you can do that yourself. Yeah, because there are only a few caps in a filter. I think 4 or 5, maximum 6 caps in every filter. So if you can do that yourself, when you buy speakers like this, 1977, yeah, and you change these filters, the sound will be even much better than it already is, but you just heard, yeah, because these filters are old. It's like with an amplifier, yeah, and well, these speakers in my ears, in my view, they are worth, I'm not looking to the market value, yeah, they are worth about €300, yeah. The market value sometimes will be much more than the €300 because they are collector's items. They are collector's items because they are just very good speakers. They are very good speakers. Don't underestimate these speakers because they are from 1977. Yeah. Ending this review, I want to thank you for watching this, and I hope you like it. Put those thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And for now I say bye bye.